if you're buying or selling an online business. Three of the biggest marketplaces are Flippa, Empire Flippers, and Acquire. They all help you close deals, but they target completely different levels of buyers and sellers. So, which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Flippa is the most open and accessible marketplace. Anyone can list a business, from small starter sites to established companies, which means you get thousands of listings and a wide range of prices. The biggest advantage is variety and accessibility, making it great for beginners or low-budget buyers. But the downside is quality. Because listings aren't heavily vetted, you'll need to do your own due diligence and filter through a lot of low-quality deals. Empire Flippers is the opposite. It's a curated marketplace and broker that only accepts established businesses, usually earning at least $2,000 per month. Every listing is vetted for traffic and revenue, and they help with the entire sales process, including migration and escrow. This makes it much safer and higher quality, but also more expensive, with most deals in the six-figure range and higher fees. Acquire sits somewhere in the middle, but leans towards startups and SaaS businesses. It focuses heavily on founders buying and selling tech companies, often with confidential listings where details are only revealed after signing an NDA. It's more modern and startup-focused, with better deal quality than Flippa, but not as hands-on or vetted as Empire Flippers. So the real difference is this. Flippa is open and high volume. Empire Flippers is curated and premium, and Acquire is startup-focused and selective. Choose Flippa if you want the most options and lower-priced deals, but are willing to take on more risk. Choose Empire Flippers if you want vetted, high-quality businesses with full broker support. Choose Acquire if you're focused on SaaS or startups and want more serious, founder-level deals. Bottom line, Flippa is best for beginners in deal hunting. Empire Flippers is best for safety and quality. And Acquire is best for startups and SaaS acquisitions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.